All right, so I've been using the R-Place titanium pan for several days now, and I will say I am a huge fan of it. I've cooked many different things in it. I cooked a steak, pasta, some edamame, you know, you name it. I really do like the honeycomb on the inside, so I cooked eggs in here too. I actually find it easier to clean with the honeycomb. I feel like things don't get stuck because it does have this little I keep calling it the honeycomb, but you know, it is a little jagged. Like, it's not completely smooth like a typical pan, and I really like that. So all around, you know, right up here it does kind of smooth out at the top a little bit, but like all throughout the middle it's got that honeycomb, and I feel like stuff doesn't really get stuck in between it. Like, it's easy to get out with a sponge or whatever. I will say this top right here, I do like that there's a little space here. It does get hot though, so you need like a glove or something to put. Also works on this butt. This is the universal lid. It kind of works on everything, so I like that as well. But this thing's good too. Definitely keeps it covered. It's got a sleek look to it. It is really nice. So really nice, high quality look. You could see me through the shine on there in the ring light. Yeah, overall, really good pan, really high quality. The company did send us it to test. Yeah, I'm super happy with it. That's what you're gonna get.